Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. If you use the Tor browser and open multiple tabs, you may notice that Windows shows only one preview in the taskbar instead of individual previews for each tab. If you want Windows to display separate tab previews in the taskbar for Tor browser, you can enable this option in the browser settings. In this video, I will show you how to show the tab previews in the Windows taskbar for Tor browser on Windows 11 or Windows 10. So let's get started. First, open the Tor browser, then click on the triple line menu in the top right corner. After that, select Settings. Under General tab, you will find the Tabs section. Here, check this one option that says Show tab previews in the Windows taskbar. That's it. Now, whenever you will put cursor over Tor browser icon on the taskbar, you can see all the opened tabs previews. This makes it easier to switch between tabs directly from the taskbar without opening the browser window first. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more Windows and browser tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.